Steve Jankowski here. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the Twin City area, but I've served clients all over the state of Minnesota. And I'm here to talk to you in this video about DWI. DWI is a very serious charge. If you've paid any attention, you know that the penalties are becoming more harsh and the level of blood alcohol content has gone down now to 0.08. So it's more serious than ever. And you can get a DWI for operating an ATV or a boat or even an airplane. So it's not just restricted to cars and trucks and vehicles that you drive on the road. There are basically 4 different levels of DWI. The least serious would be the 4th degree, and the most serious would be the 1st degree DWI. The 4th degree DWI is misdemeanor DWI, and at that level you're exposed to 90 days in jail and up to a $1,000 fine. 3rd and 2nd degree are more serious DWIs, and those would be in the gross misdemeanor level, and there you're exposed to up to a year in jail and up to a $3,000 fine. And then the felony DWI would be the 1st degree DWI, so that would be the most serious level, and at that level you're exposed to up to 7 years and a $14,000 fine. So that is the most serious level. Now, the way you get to those more serious levels of DWI kind of depends on what kind of DWI you got, how high your blood alcohol content was. If it was 0.16 or higher, which would be twice the legal limit, then that kicks you up into a more serious level. If you had a child in the car, that can be an aggravating factor also and kick you up into a more serious level. And then, of course, if you have a history of DWI, that will also put you into a more serious level of DWI. Now, there are lots of things that we can do to challenge a DWI. Sometimes if you had a really low blood alcohol content and it's your first time, I have had cases where it got dropped to careless driving. Sometimes if the police didn't have a good reason to pull you over, we can challenge that. We can challenge how they did the test, how they administered the test, whether the machine was calibrated properly. So there are all sorts of challenges that can be made against a DWI charge, but you kind of need an attorney to do that. So if you need help with the DWI, feel free to give me a ring. The number should be on the page that you're on. You should be able to look for it, and I think I'll put this on the number on the video too. So anyway, I look forward to hearing from you, and I will help you with your DWI. Take care.